Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro kĩa mũingĩ kĩrĩa gĩthaganĩtio taũni-inĩ ya Embu, mũingĩ wa matũra ma kaunti ĩno magĩcirĩra maũndũ megiĩ thogora wa mũtũrĩre, nĩ magĩte kanya ga kũruta mawoni mao mahutanĩtie na maũndũ mokanĩtie na kwambatĩra gwa thogora wa mũtũrĩre.
Maisha imekuwa juu, hata usafiri umekuwa shinda. Zile pesa tulikuwa tunatumia kusafiri kutoka hapa kwenda mahali kama Kiritiri ama Kiambere mahali nimetoka, siku hizi hata huwezi kugharamia. Mafuta ile tulikuwa tunanunua lita moja inakupeleka mahali sasa ni ngumu. 2000 shillings ni kitu ambacho huwezi kaongea kwa mafuta.
We cannot borrow billions, we don't invest anywhere, then you expect that we are going to cut the mwananchi tax so heavily for you to pay the same debt. It's as if this money was not invested where it can bring some interest. Personally, I feel mwananchi anaumia kwa kitu ambayo yuko.
Sababu kila kitu yote ambayo kinaashiliwa kiletwe wananchi, akifikangi na ile kiwango inastahili kufikia mwananchi. Nyingi wenye kuleta ndio inakuanga manufaa kwao.
The issue of unemployment has led to so many chaos. It has become the background of all the problems in our world, because this is the same person who will go to a family setup. He has nothing, hana kitu chochote cha kulisha familia, and we expect this youth to sustain the family. What is the result of this? Frustration. We are going to have family chaos. We are going to have conflict. These are the same youths who are going to engage in drugs. These are the same issues we are going to engage in issues of robbery.
Ikundi cia andũ marĩ na mawathe kaunti-inĩ ĩno makiuga thogora wa indo kwambatĩra ũmaritũhĩirie mũtũrĩre na gĩkĩro kĩnene, na kũria kũgĩe na mĩtaratara ya thirikari kũmũrĩka ũrĩa ĩngĩnyihanyihĩria Kenya ngarama ya mũtũrĩre.
The cost of living imekuwa ingine inatesa watu walemavu kwa sababu kuna bidhaa wanafaa kutumia zenye zinahitaji a lot of expenses. Unakuta mtu ana clutches akienda kutafuta kwa maofisi hakuna, mtu ana mafuta ya kujipaka hospitali hakuna, mtu anafaa ende for therapies hakuna, inamgharimu pesa mingi sana saa hii, na hadi kwake nyumbani hana chakula. So I would request that we still consider these people living with disabilities, sababu they are going an extra.
Kwambatĩra gwa thogora wa mũtũrĩre gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gũkoretwo gũkĩgiritanio na kuongerereka gwa thogora wa maguta mwaka ũyũ, marĩa makoretwo makĩongererwo thogora o mweri, noguo gũcũngĩrĩria indo cia mahũthĩro onacio kwambatĩrio thogora. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.